Hello, we are the Bring a Trailer local partner here in the San Francisco Bay Area. Back this time, happy to present to you this 1987 Volkswagen Vanagon Westfalia camper, live at auction right now. We'll go over some more of the details after a cold start and a brief drive. Thank you. Live on Bring a Trailer right now, this Volkswagen Vanagon camper is charming and versatile, ready for some serious use. It's decked out with all of the standard camping accoutrements, from its refreshed and damage-free canvas pop top, its stove and sink setup, and even fitted with a Yeti cooler and canteen setup. However, this van's real party trick is what's under the rear floor. It's been fitted with a foreign auto supply Gen.V Volkswagen 2-liter engine swap. Volkswagen is now transformed from slow and ponderous to a Westy that actually could be called downright spry and enjoyable to drive. 4-speed manual works great with this engine, and with its well-cared-for suspension components, it makes for a lovely machine to use, especially compared to a standard Wasser-Boxer-equipped example. Live on Bring a Trailer right now, head to Genau Autowerks.com for more information. Thank you.